All right. Does anybody know one of the words to say to get or to receive? That's to give.
It's a B. It's blind.
I wrote the letter B as a hint up on the board.
Something like that.
No. Oh, bekommen. Richtig. Okay, this is a false cognate, because a lot of people think, you look at that word and you think, to become. But that's not what it is at all, okay? So bekommen means to get, to receive.
Wait, is this quiz content?
This is quiz content, yep. This is not the quiz content. This is more notes for the quiz. Later we'll be going over quiz content. Okay. Now one of the things that messes people up when they're transferring or translating German and English back and forth is that we say we're going to get something a lot, but a lot of the time when we say it, we are talking about we are physically going to go get it. So we are making an effort to go out of our way to go get the thing. Okay? Like, I'm going to go get money out of the ATM. Or I'm going to go get something to eat at McDonald's, whatever. Okay? This kind of get means it's coming to you. You're receiving it. So if you can use the word receive, then you got the right word. Okay? But if you are physically on your way to get something, then it's a different verb. Okay? That one was holen. You've seen that one a couple times. Okay? So if we're going to say, what are you getting? What would that sentence look like, that question? Was bekommst du? Mm-hmm. So was bekommst du? What are you getting? We can also use that for the near future. So instead of just what are you getting, it's what are you going to get? Because they use the present tense for the near future as well. Okay. So in this section, since it's all about gift giving and stuff like that, somebody's probably asking, what are you going to get, like, for your birthday? Something like that, okay? So it means both. Okay. If we're going to ask what kind of present or what kind of gift are you getting, what are our first two words going to be? What kind or what type? There's a special phrase. Was für. Good. Was für. So remember that means what kind or what type. What kind or what type of a present? So we're going to add the ein word in here. Was für ein Geschenk are you getting? Keep going. Bekommst du? Yeah. Oh, I didn't hear the do, so. All right. Next one. We're going to ask, do you have an idea? That's the first part of the question. Do you have an idea? What's your first word going to be? Not hops, but conjugated for do. What's special? Hast. No B in there. Yep. So hast. And then what? Du? Do you have an idea? How to say idea? Do you have an idea how to say idea?
No idea.
Idee. Uh-huh. Okay, so we're going to put an ein word in here. Okay, so the word for idea is only one letter off from English. Okay, but it's pronounced idee. Okay, so leave a blank. So hast du blank idee? Is that going to be a der, die, or das word, do you think? A D word. So we're going to look for an a word to go in that blank. You've told me it's feminine. Is that going to be nominative, accusative, or dative? Accusative. Why? Because it's the direct object. It is the thing that you have. Okay? It's directly affected by the verb. Okay? The indirect object is the dative thing. They're indirectly affected. They get it. Or they, it's to or for whom something's being done. So in this case, we only have nominative and accusative. Okay? So it's accusative and it's feminine, so what ein word is going to go in this blank? Eine. Because we said it was feminine and accusative. Okay? So hast du eine Idee? And then we're going to say what you are getting. Okay? What's your next word going to be? Was. And that comma is important there. And this was is now a conjunction. It's going to kick your conjugated verb to the end of that clause. So we only have 2 more words left. There you go. So was, du, because this was kicked the verb. Why does it do it? Because it's mean. Oh, just kidding. You will not have to do that on the test. Okay? But it's something that will come up. So we've seen some because words, for example, like weil. Okay? Weil kicks your conjugated verb to the end. Okay? There's a whole bunch of them that kick your verb to the end. Okay? So hast du eine Idee, was du bekommst? So do you have an idea what you are getting? You could respond with this. Okay. Everybody try that. Ich glaube schon. Not schön, but schon. Like the sun shone. Okay. So everybody try that again. Ich glaube schon.
Ich glaube schon.
Better. Any idea what that means? Roughly, yep. So ich glaube means I believe. Roughly translates to I believe so. Literally it means I believe already. That doesn't translate very well. Okay, so I believe so. So if somebody asks, do you know what you're going to get? Ich glaube schon. I believe so. I believe so. I think so. What do you say? What?
I believe that we will win.
Ich glaube, dass wir gewinnen werden.
I'm not even gonna try.
Okay. Tell me you are getting a clock radio. Because, woohoo! Okay. I am getting a clock radio. What's your first word? And then? Bekommen, yep. A clock radio. So radiowecker, and it is a dare word. So let's come back to this blank. And we'll put radiowecker here. So we're looking for a. What case is radiowecker going to be? Accusative. It's the thing that you are getting. Okay? So it's masculine and it's accusative. So what word are we going to put in there? Einen. Good. The next completely random. Today we're just kind of doing the miscellaneous stuff. Du bist wirklich ein Genie. Any idea what that means?
I am a genius. You are a genius.
You are really a genius. That's actually what it means. Du bist wirklich ein Genie. Yeah, did you just dab?
No.
Yeah, it sure looked like it. Just like, did the... Last slide. Okay. How do you ask, when is your birthday? Now think back to channel your German 1 final. Wann hast du Geburtstag? Good. I'm going to say, if you knew that one, word for word, yeah, I don't care if you write it down, because you already had it mastered. Okay?
I spelled it wrong.
Hände hoch if you can answer it still.
Ich habe am 8. Juni Geburtstag.
Good. What? Close.
Oh. Is it 18?
Just realized I wasn't recording again. Otherwise, 2nd to the 19th. You take the number and you add TEN to it. That's a really unfortunate looking E. Okay? And if it is 20 or above, you take the number and add STEN. Okay, so 20. 21. 23. 31. Whatever it might be. Okay? Wie bitte?
I said it's just translated. My birthday is that.
A lot of you had birthdays on the 8th. It was like the first 3 or 4 of you that I answered.